जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Requesting everybody to please kindly be seated.
जनगण मन अधिनायक.
Yes. Speaker view. Yes.
Guys, we also have area project convener Deepak Bhai with us. Welcome, Deepak Bhai.
Welcome, Deepak Bhai.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Again.
Yes, perfect. Sorry guys for the minor technical glitch. Okay. Hello and good morning, everyone. Can everybody hear me? We've just muted everybody. Yeah, you can raise your hand and give me a signal if everybody can hear me. Great, great. Aviral, you can hear me, right? Yash, okay, great. Okay. Hello, namaste, and good morning to everyone. I, Utkarsh Rastogi, immediate past chairman of Varanasi Roundtable 196, and on behalf of Varanasi Ladies Circle 1 to 9, I would like to welcome you all to the first of its kind in our table, a virtual inauguration of 2 classrooms of our FTE project called Round Table Abhinav Vidyalaya, that is located at Mirza Murad, Varanasi. हर साल हम राउंड टेबल अभिनव विद्यालय में फिजिकल फॉर्मेट में इनॉग्रेशन करते थे, सब एक साथ स्कूल में एकत्रित होते थे, उसका मजा एक अलग होता था डेफिनेटली. बट इस साल सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम सब इस वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से साथ में इकट्ठे हुए हैं. डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ स्विच फ्रॉम अ फिजिकल टू द वर्चुअल, बट वन थिंग आई कैन एश्योर यू ऑल that the spirits of VRT 196 and VLC 129 is no less. हमारा उत्साह, हमारा उमंग आज भी उतना ही है. As a wise man has once said that the show must go on. So here we are at the most awaited day of the year. I want to welcome all the notable dignitaries present amongst us today. To start with, I wish to welcome the members of the Kesari Devi Charitable Trust, represented by Honorable Ajit Tripathi Uncle Ji, all the eminent members of the Ganga Sahib Pandey Trust. Also, we have amongst us the presence of the National Vice President, Tabler Philip Maurya, National Project Convener, Tabler Hitesh and Tabler Nandesh, immediate past Area 8 Chairman, Tabler Suyash Kapoor, current Chairman of Area 8, Tabler Khushal Bhargav, the International Relationship Officer, the dynamic Tabler Aviral Jain, Area 8 Vice Chairman, Tabler Param, and all the other tablers and square legs who are present amongst us. Your presence means a lot to us. No auspicious ceremony can start without Ganesh Vandana. So I request Twinkler Ashika Mathur, daughter of Tabler Apurv and Circler Jayanti Mathur, to kindly present Ganesh Vandana in her graceful voice amongst us.
लक्ष्मीमेव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ गणपते नमो नमः, सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः, अष्टविनायक नमो नमः, गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
Thank you, Ashika. I would now request Twinkler Ashika to kindly light the lamp to mark the start of today's ceremony. Thank you, Ashika. Thank you, Ashika, for presenting Ganesh Vandana so beautifully. We were truly mesmerized by your performance. Now, I would like to take a moment to brief you all about Round Table Abhinav Vidyalaya, the maiden FTE project of our Varanasi Roundtable 196. Roundtable India believes in the motto of freedom through education, and VRT 196 has tried resonating the same through years. 2015, my friends, was the year when the senior members of VRT 196 had laid down the foundation of Roundtable Abhinav Vidyalaya. Our charter chairman, square leg Anup Agarwal, square leg Prashant Gupta, square leg Rohit Govil, Dr. Shalabh Gupta, Sanjay Wahi Bhaiya, and all the square legs, we appreciate your vision for identifying this authentic FT project and giving it to us. It has been 5 years since the inception of the school, and I can proudly say that we now have currently 12 active classrooms, providing to over 250 plus. Our classes start from nursery and goes till class 7. We have a library room, a computer room, a recreational room, and 2 toilet blocks. One more interesting fact I would like to share with you. During the last academic session of 2019-20, the number of students in our school shot up from 160 to 249. Yes, a jump of 89 students in a single academic session has been the biggest so far in our school. The number of teachers has increased from 10 to 12 in the last academic session. Now the student-teacher ratio we have is 21:1. So that means for every 21 students in our school, we have 1 teacher, which is a very, very healthy ratio. My friends, our school has gained a lot of fame, trust, and respect in the last few years. And now there are students aspiring admissions into our school, not just from the surrounding areas, but also from the faraway distance too. I wish to convey my sincere gratitude and heartfelt thanks on behalf of entire Varanasi Roundtable 196 and VLC 129 to Roundtable India Foundation, and above all, to a consistent donor who has been donating to our school right from the very beginning. The most generous couple, Mary Elizabeth and Rob Gosling from USA. Thank you so much to you both for your yet again contribution by donating 1 more classroom this year. We are truly humbled by your gesture. A big, big thanks to Anil Gupta Uncle Ji for taking up this project and completing this on time. Thanks to our auditors, Shishir Bajpai Ji, for assisting us in all trust-related legal matters. A big thanks to our project convener, Tabler Dhaval Prakash, and co-convener, Rohan Madhok, for executing the entire project on time with such diligence and zeal. Whenever I needed you guys, you were there for me. And lastly, I want to thank the members of the Ganga Sahib Pandey Trust, who although donated 2 classrooms last to last year, but I want to tell you that you have been able to impact lives of 60 children who are now studying in those 2 classrooms. The children are truly, humbly overwhelmed and thankful to you. Now, without further delay, I would request Tabler Philip Maurya, National Vice President of Roundtable India, to please speak a few words. Philip.
Thank you so much, Utkarsh. First of all, a big good morning to all my friends from Area 8, especially 196. It feels so good to be, amongst you guys. It's been ages since I've had a chance to come to Banaras, but yes, it certainly feels good to be back home. This project, I've seen this project starting from the ground, when the foundation stone for this project was laid down. Prashant Bhai and Siddharth, it was a dream project for 196. I remember how, it was planned out कि कैसे इतने साल में हम लोग कहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे, इतने classrooms बढ़ाएंगे. And today, we are standing at 12 classrooms, guys. It's been a wonderful journey, and this project has come up so systematically, so well. And from experience, I know I visited the project on a couple of occasions. The quality of construction is nothing less than a proper public school that you would find in the city. So kudos to Team 196 guys. Another 2 classrooms added to this wonderful school. And I'm sure Abhinav Vidyalaya is making a great impact with the students that are passing out from this wonderful institution. I would like to thank all the donors that Utkarsh just spoke about, who have been, steadily donating to this project year on year. It is only due to the support of people like them that, we get the strength and encouragement to take up these projects and make sure that they are completed on time. So again, once again, thank you so much for, inviting me over here. It really feels good. And is Prashant Bhai there? I saw Prashant Bhai.
Yes, he's here. Prashant Bhai.
Yes, Prashant Bhai. So congratulations. This is your baby. This has become a big, man or a woman today. What would you say? But yes, 12 classrooms. जब start किया था तो क्या था, and now we are at 12 classrooms, and I'm sure the journey is not over. We're going to see many more classrooms.
Inspiration तो तुम्ही लोगों से मिला था 1 to 5 से और चेन्नई से.
Sir, कुछ
गुरु तुम्ही लोग रहे हो.
Inspiration is just the tip, Prashant Bhai, but how जो केसरी देवी ट्रस्ट के साथ आप लोग का टाई अप था, जो लैंड आइडेंटिफिकेशन था, the way.
But in this project, I would really like to thank Ajit uncle. उनका trust हम लोगों पे था. He donated the land, and one more thing everyone should know, that last year Tata Trust has donated us 1 crore 16 lakh rupees.
Yes.
Wow.
Tata Trust has paid 1 crore 16 lakhs rupees to Kesari Devi Charitable Trust. So this is also, and all the paperwork done by Ajit uncle, unke audits ko approve karna, it was not a simple task. It was a Herculean task, which Ajit uncle at this age of 84 year old he is, and he has completed this, which is really remarkable. So I find myself lucky कि हमको ऐसी टीम मिली जिसने हमको सपोर्ट किया और आज तक ये चीज आगे बढ़ती जा रही है. So I'll thank my team, especially Ajit uncle and company, and my tablers, young tablers of my table, जिन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया जिसकी वजह से ये आज इस रूप में है. So this is all just for your information.
Thank you so
That's
much,
all from me
Prashant
as of now.
Yes, at the end of the day, it is all definitely a teamwork. Everybody has had some contribution, and definitely the help with that we've got from these stalwarts from the society. Without their help and support, I'm sure nothing would have been possible. So yes, congratulations to the Kesari Devi Trust for tying up with Tata Trust. Is no joke. It's a big thing. So congratulations to them also, and I'm sure as they grow, they will make sure that this institution also grows along with them. Of course, thank you to all the ladies also. The table gains its strength from its lady circle. And congratulations to all of you. And indeed, it's a great feeling to be inaugurating these 2 classrooms with you today. Thank you so much, Utkarsh bhai. Congratulations as the chairman. It always feels special that you have a project inauguration under your belt in your year. So congratulations to you and your team. And yes, thank you so much for inviting me over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Philip bhai. We are highly grateful to you that you could make time to attend this virtual inauguration. And thanks to Prashant bhaiya for throwing some light on that. In continuation to that, Philip, I would like to tell you that the fund that was donated by Tata Trust, that sum has been utilized for making the boundary of the school to secure the school. The assembly stage has been made. The shed above the assembly has been made. And 2 mini buses for school has also been purchased with that money. And so which was very important because the children would come from far away areas and it was very difficult for them to walk. So it was a very good initiative taken by the Kesari Devil Charitable Trust, undoubtedly. So without further delay, I would now request Tabler Suyash Kapoor, immediate Area 8 past chairman, to kindly speak a few words and address the floor.
Thank you, Utkarsh, and thank you, VRT 196, for inviting me over this auspicious occasion of the inauguration of 2 classrooms of RTI Abhinav Vidyalaya. And before I start, I'd like to welcome all the dignitaries from Roundtable India, Abhinav Vidyalaya School, and from both the trust, and all the donors who have supported Abhinav Vidyalaya and Roundtable India in achieving this dream. I just like to share that I have been following this school for the past, if not 5 years, then definitely 4 years. पिछले 4 सालों में मैं इस स्कूल को regularly as an AST watch कर रहा था. I was lucky enough to be present physically at the school in the past 3 years. इस साल थोड़ा सा हम सबके लिए different है. So getting an opportunity to visit the school virtually, and 4 सालों में इस स्कूल को grow करते हुए देखा है, and सबकी मेहनत, पूरे VRT 196 की मेहनत, VLC 129 की मेहनत बखूबी दिखती है. जो स्ट्रक्चर, जो क्वालिटी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, जिस तरीके से टॉयलेट ब्लॉक का कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ, हम लोग, मुझे याद है कि जब पहली बार मैं स्कूल गया था तो बैकयार्ड वाला जो फील्ड था वहाँ पे पूरा फंक्शन हुआ था. उसके बाद हम लोग 1 साल और वहाँ पे हुआ. फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर, लास्ट ईयर, वी वर एट द फ्रंट ऑफ द स्कूल. जब फर्स्ट टाइम आया था तो बाउंड्री वॉल wasn't there at the school, and जब लास्ट ईयर विजिट करा था तो बाउंड्री वॉल was under construction. And congratulations to the entire team of VRT 196. Hello.
Yes, Suyash bhai. Yes, we can hear you. Yeah. Hello, yeah, Suyash bhai, you there?
Sorry, there was some light. मतलब कि देखते हुए इतना अच्छा लगता है कि I just want to say it feels so good कि we are lucky enough कि when VRT 196 is doing such a beautiful job, we are being blessed with the good wishes of the people, and being at the helm of the affair, getting an opportunity to be a part of this project. Before I could end, I just want to say a quote. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And this is what the reality is, and what VRT 196, PG Bhai has given, Siddharth has given, and all the tablers of 196 and circlers of 129 have given to not only to Banaras Roundtable, but also to Area 8 and Roundtable India. So congratulations to all of you guys for such a great event. And we are eagerly waiting to have a look at the 2 classrooms. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yash Bhai, for your kind words. It is great to always have you amongst us and get to learn from you something or the other always. Last but not the least, I would request Abhijit Tripathi ji from Kesari Devi Charitable Trust. Uncle, please speak a few words and address the floor. Yes. Yes.
Baba का voice वाले पे लाओ.
Yes.
I would really like to thank everyone for this. My dad, Professor Ajit Narayan Tripathi, is also logged into this VC. I would request the admin to kindly unmute him and mute my login so that he can address this gathering and speak a few words.
We can't hear him. I think he is on mute.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Namaste, uncle. Namaste.
नमस्ते नमस्ते टू ऑल ऑफ यू.
जी जी.
और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप सभी लोगों के साथ वर्चुअली ही मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन मिल रहे हैं. हमारा आपका रिश्ता बहुत दिनों से है और ये 5 साल तो स्कूल के ही हैं. उसकी प्लानिंग के पहले भी प्रशांत जी से 13-14 से ही चर्चा चल रही थी कि कैसे स्कूल बने. हम लोगों की आपस में अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनी कि केसरी देवी चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट जमीन खरीदेगा, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोवाइड करेगा और स्कूल को रन करेगा, मैनेज करेगा. There is a group of people in the university who are along with me. One of them is sitting at my side, and we have been dreaming about having a good quality education to children. There are so many schools providing education, but we want, what is our objective is to bring a good quality education, where after the education, the children can stand on their own feet, succeed in life, but more importantly, they become good citizens and good human beings. That angle of making them good citizens and good human beings is, I would say, the most important for me and for my team. Anyway, interacting with young people, seeing their enthusiastic response to this whole idea, the project has come a long way. We are now poised for completing the first phase of our project, that is up to class 8th junior high school. We will then have to plan to go up to the higher secondary level. That will be a bigger project. And the next construction part, I would like to urge on you that a block has to be constructed together, because the building is L-shaped and we have now reached the corner point. The corner point has to be built together, not in pieces. So please arrange that the next block of classes and the office, principal's rooms, etc. are built in one block. That will strengthen the building. And that will also help you to project ourselves to fulfill the needs for going up to the higher secondary level. So I do hope that the enthusiasm with which the whole team is working all over the country, and particularly the Varanasi unit. I also thank the ladies circle who are constantly arranging some program or the other with the children, making them more creative, making things more enjoyable for them. I wish our partnership keeps on growing as it has been growing in the past. Thank you.
I would also like to add here that Mr. Dhawan has finally fulfilled his promise and the road is coming up there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Last year in the inauguration, he promised that we will get the road constructed. He has fulfilled his promise. If he is there amongst you, I certainly very much thank him for fulfilling his words.
Well, thank you very much for all that which you are doing for the school. And it is your school, as you all feel that it is your project. So I'm sure that the commitment will increase over the years. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Ajit, uncle. It is we are truly humbled by your presence, and I would now request, lastly, tabler Kushal Bhargav. He is the current Area 8 chairman, to kindly speak a few words, and after this we will proceed to the plaque unveiling. So, Kushal, kindly address the floor. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Kushal.
Thank you, Utkarsh, for this opportunity to speak in the amongst the August gathering of floor. PG Bhai, Sahil Bhai, Siddharth, Maurya Bhai, and our current NHT Yadu Bhai. The list can go on with the legends in that the table holds, and 196 is always a stalwart table for Area 8. Thank you, A.N. Tripathi, uncle, and Ajit ji, the way that you have been looking after this Abhinav Vidyalaya school. And as your name says, Ajit, so aapko koi jeet nahi sakta. And the way that you are showing being as a torchbearer for 196, we'll keep supporting it. And what better opportunity that when PG Bhai, Siddharth Bhai, and Yadu Bhai together are there in this table, and Yadu Bhai leading the table from front, being the national HT this year. 50 for 196 is in the blood, so it will go on. And I think 196 always keeps benchmark for not only area but for RTI, for giving back-to-back good news in all terms. Rohan is doing a wonderful job. Young blood like Utkarsh, Dhaval, as well as Ashutosh, all are doing fantastic work for 196, and I hope that this chain would continue, and you people will keep giving freedom through education classes to Roundtable India and fulfilling their mission. So not taking much time, all the best, kudos to the team 1920 and best wishes to the team 2021. Thank you, Utkarsh, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, Kushal. Thank you so much for your kind words. So now we come to the most important part of today's ceremony, for which we have all gathered today, the unveiling of the plaque. So I hereby request the senior most teacher of our school, Srimati Vimla Gupta ji, to kindly do the curtain unveiling of the plaque. Vimla ji, aapse agrah hai? Curtain unveiling proceed kare.
Utkarsh, can we focus them?
Yes. Guys, the internet reception, the network reception at this school is not very great. So whatever we could do best, we have done it. And a big thanks to my project convener, Dhaval. Dhaval, without you, this would have not been possible. Your diligent follow-up with me was absolutely astounding, bhai, absolutely. So
thanks for being modest, Utkarsh, but it's your baby.
Come on. Okay. So now I would request tabler Pratik Jain to display a video of a virtual walkthrough of Roundtable Abhinav Vidyalaya. This video will cover all the major portions of Roundtable Abhinav Vidyalaya.
जनाब जिलिया कांधे पे सूरज टिकागे चला तू आंखों में भर के चला बिजलियां तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी ऐसा जुनून है किसी का बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधिया बहता चला तू उड़ता चला तू जैसे उड़े आंधिया मंजर है नया मंजर नया मंजर है नया ये उड़ रही है बेधड़कती आंधिया
Thank you
Thanks
so
a lot,
much.
Prateek. Thanks a lot, Prateek, for the wonderful, wonderful video.
Yes. Thank you so much, Prateek. The video was a little brief, but I'm sure it gave an idea to all of you, especially those of you who have not been able to come to our school before. I think this video gave you a slight walkthrough of the infrastructure of the school from inside to outside. We've had a few additions in the school, the library room, the recreational room of late. I think the video has covered it all. So now, without further ado, I request again Srimati Vimla Gupta ji to kindly proceed towards the ribbon cutting ceremony of our two newly constructed classrooms. Vimla Gupta ji, आपसे आग्रह है कि ribbon cutting के लिए कृपया proceed करें. Okay, in the meantime, could I just request tabler, our national honorary tabler, Yaduraj Bhaiya, to please kindly address the floor and speak a few words till the time we fix this glitch. Yadu bhai, yes.
Hi Utkarsh. Hi everyone. Thank you Utkarsh for giving me the floor, though it was a little very sudden. So, well, friends, welcome all. Ajit uncle, Abhijit Bhaiya, Anil uncle, thank you so much for constructing the classroom, and everyone else, Maurya bhai, Suraj bhai, Kushal, everyone for making it to inauguration. Guys, what to say? Just ऐसा लगता है कि
Yadraj bhaiya, we have lost you. We cannot listen. We cannot hear you.
Hello.
Yeah. Now you can be heard. Yes.
Okay. So guys, just congratulations to the team of this year for completing the project even under some such circumstances. And what else to say? I cannot think of immediately anything. So all the best to the incoming team, Dhaval and everyone for the upcoming year. I think this is going to be a big challenge, but I think you guys will be able to do it. And congratulations, Utkarsh, for another 2 classrooms in the school.
Thank you, Yadu bhai. Thank you so much, Yadu bhai, for your kind words. Guys, the technical glitch has been fixed. I would now request Prateek to kindly highlight the screen. And Vimla ji, आपसे आग्रह है ribbon cutting ceremony की तरफ proceed करें. Okay, I now request Vimla ji to kindly proceed with the ribbon cutting, ma'am. Guys, this is the newly constructed classroom. You can see with all the tile work, the electrical work, with the fans. The fans also, guys, I want to inform you all, the fans have been donated by generous donor in Varanasi, Ravi Jaipuria ji. And yes. And now, Vimla ji, आपसे आग्रह है कि दूसरा जो क्लासरूम है, दूसरे क्लासरूम की भी रिबन कटिंग सेरेमनी के लिए प्रोसीड करें. Yes. This classroom is donated by Robert George and Mary Elizabeth Gosling from USA. Okay, guys, there has been a little technical glitch out there. So both the classrooms are identical, right opposite each other. And so this sort of brings us to the end of today's ceremony. I'm sorry, it is not as maybe utni vibes nahi aati hain virtually jo physical format mein aati hain, and I apologize for that technical glitch. हमने कल रेकी करी थी वहाँ पे, but थोड़ा सा outer area में है, rural part में है, so we just missed out a little bit on the internet connection today. And I thank you all for taking out time and witnessing this event today. I would like to address a few people that I missed out earlier. Tabler Sahil Jindal, he's a National IRO 2020-21. Our AST, Tabler Rashi Singhania, and our 41er, Samir Jain, and our veteran Tabler Vaibhav Sachdev from Mumbai. And thanking you all to be present today for this noble event. And if I missed out somebody's name, my apologies for that. And have a great day and have a safe one, everyone. 3 cheers to Roundtable India and Roundtable International. Cheers, guys.
Because we don't have to be sorry. Such a beautiful work has been done. तो थोड़ा बहुत चीजें तो आती हैं, बड़ी चीज जब दिखती है तो ये छोटी मोटी चीज नहीं दिखती.
Thank you so much, Kushal. Thank you so much,
Kushal, for joining us.
Thank you so much, Kushal.
Great work, guys. Keep up the good work. Cheers.
Thank you, Kushal. Thank you so much. We have 99 plus participants. I just wanted to mention this. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for taking out time and attending the virtual ceremony of this noble cause. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Chairman Utkarsh, through you.
Yes.
If I may, greetings to Varanasi 196. This is Tabler Swaraj from Area 11.
Hi, Swaraj. Hello.
Thank you so much for inviting me for the inauguration. Guys, just one small incident that I want to share. One of your tablers had visited us 3 years ago for the IIM LAPD event. And that is when I got to know of the Roundtable Abhiyan Vidyalaya and how you are continuing to add classrooms to a single school and creating a legend in Varanasi. Thank you so much for having me here. And it has always been my dream to come visit this school, which has so many classrooms being built every year. And we make sure that as trainers, we always cite the example of 196, that they continue to carry forward the legacy. Congratulations again, once again, Chairman Utkarsh and the entire team. Greetings to the headboard, to the national dignitaries. Thank you so much for having me. Utkarsh bhai, appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Swaraj, for your kind words. Really great. एक virtual platform का मैं कहूँगा एक बहुत अच्छा फायदा हुआ that there are a lot of people who would not be able to physically be present for this ceremony are able to see our school and be together in a single screen. It's great. It's great. I really feel this is the positive side of the virtual inauguration. Yes.
Utkarsh, Swaraj is the India Gives convener, and this year nationals have add on one thing which is now nationally done, that is India Gives, and Dhaval has already given a consent to be participating in it. So it's a great thing that he is there and Vaibhav is there. It is your efforts that all over India tablers are here, and on the same platform still we have 40-45 odd participants. So all kudos to 196. Cheers, guys. We will move on. We have much other things today. Yes. Muzaffarnagar is there. You all are invited in that, and other AGMs are there.
Thank you.
Cheers, bhai.
Yes.
See you, Siddharth bhai. See you, Yadu bhai.
Just to add,
See
you guys, and all the very best for your school inauguration. And hopefully this year we'll be in a. Hopefully we'll be able to do the India Gives this year. Last year we couldn't manage it, and Saurabh bhai was the India Give convener last year. But definitely this year we'll be having it in full swing. All the best, Kushal, and all the best VRT 196 for the coming year.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Suresh bhai, for your kind words. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much once again, and we can all probably end this meeting now. And 3 cheers to Roundtable India and Roundtable International. Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody, for joining. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.